Today, I want to speak plainly. If you're not using video in your business, you're basically invisible to your ideal client. This isn't just an opinion. It's a reality based on human behavior and social media algorithms today. First, think about yourself as a consumer. How many times have you bought something because you saw a video where someone showed the product, explained the benefits, or you just like the person? Probably many times. And if you're honest, the brands you buy from don't just sell a product or service. They sell an experience, a story, a personal connection. Now, apply the same behavior to your business. If your brand is on social media, how often do you show up? Do you show your face? Talk about your day, your process, your values? Because that's how you build trust. Trust is the most valuable currency in business. And video is the fastest way to build it. Social media isn't a static showcase. It's a dynamic conversation. When someone sees a photo, they might like it, but it doesn't create the same connection as when they hear you speak, see your expressions, and feel your passion. Videos convey emotions, create bonds, and make people want to know more. There's also a technical aspect you can't ignore. Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok's algorithms prioritize video because it generates more engagement. It's no coincidence these platforms push users to create short videos. This is the future format, and if you're not in it, you're letting your competitors take the attention that could be yours. Here's an impactful fact. 90% of people who watch a video about a product or service end up making a purchase decision based on that video. This shows that video isn't just content, it's a direct tool that increases sale. Finally, think about the difference between someone who's followed you for years but never seen you and someone who's just discovered you but watched a quick, direct video where they connected with you. That last person will feel like they know you better because they saw your personality and authenticity. That's the power of video. So if you want your business to grow and stand out, video isn't just an option. It's a necessity. Hey, if you found this helpful, please hit that like button, leave me a comment with your biggest takeaway or question, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.